Edu Action Sectoral Party List. Edu Action. Sir, kayo po. Hawakan niyo po. Potogs. Okay, thank you. Muna pong alis. To your right. Medyo right kayo. Okay, thank you.
Magandang hapon. Ako po si Chris Gargantial. Isa ako sa nominees at miyembro ng Edu Action Party List. Kasama ko po ngayon si June Broom, ang aming Secretary General, si Mike Ang, at saka si Aldrin Darilag. Kami po ay nominees and members ng Edu Action Party List. And as the name suggests, ang advocacy po namin ay sa larangan ng edukasyon. Isa sa aming mga plataforma, isa sa aming mga nais isulong ay ang pag-reduce sa curriculum such that matatapos ang college instead of 4 years in 3 years. Ang 3 years na yon will be made up of 2 years of classroom learning and 1 year OJT. Maraming salamat po. No questions.
You're done with the 2 minutes?
Yes, it's
Okay.
yeah, thank
Any
you.
question from the media? Jeffrey Hernaez,
Hello.
ABS-CBN.
Hi, sir. Sir, first question. Sino po ang ating first nominee?
Michael Ang.
Michael Ang.
Yes.
Apo. Sir, question you mentioned po kanina na isa-isa po sa inyong isusulong ay yung matapos ang kolehiyo ng 3 taon instead of
Instead of 4.
4. Sir, paki-expound nga lang po. Ano
Yes.
po ba yung maging advantage nito sa bata at
Yes.
sa IS in our economy? Ganun po.
Yung reduction of the curriculum in college from 4 to 3 is basically achievable by reducing or not anymore covering general education subjects which have already been taken up during the basic education, secondary education. So examples of which are Filipino, natural science, mga general education subjects. And we should be focusing rather on core subjects specifically made for the specific course na in-enroll ng bata. Now, the advantages are more on economic dahil alam naman natin lahat na ang magpaaral sa kolehiyo ng 4 na taon ay mahal. So, ang magbe-benefit dito, ang bata at saka ang kanilang mga pamilya. Pangalawa, we can easily have our young men and women enter the job market. If they finish it within 3 years, they can join the job market. In fact, after the 2-year classroom learning, we are already honing them for the job market through that 1-year OJT period on the 3rd year. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. From Rappler po, Jairo Boliedo.
Good
Sir,
afternoon.
aside from lessening the number of years in college, sir, if ever po that the party will win a seat in the Congress, what
Yes.
will you do po to improve the quality naman of education of young
Yes.
students? Kasi po, di ba, ang baba natin sa world competency, reading comprehension and all that.
Yes. Aside from reducing the number, we wish to emphasize that it's actually easier to see that the change in the curriculum by emphasizing the reduction of the number of years. But basically, it works because it's the number of units to complete college that what we are reducing. We are not including anymore, or we're eliminating general education subjects. Now, going to your question, aside from the 2+1 project that we intend, we also wish to improve the quality of our education by sticking with the basic. Ang bata, kapag gutom, hindi natututo yan. Ang batang walang laman ng sikmura, hindi nakakapag-aral yan. So isa sa mga layunin ng EduAction Party List ay to make it possible na ang bata kapag pumasok sa eskwelahan, may libreng baon. Merong breakfast, merong lunch. Thank you.
Balita Manila Bulletin. Go ahead, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, hi.
Good afternoon po. Tanong ko lang po dun sa reduction po ng curriculum sa college po.
Apo.
Sir, meron po bang pinagbatayan tong programa niyo po? Halimbawa po, sa ibang bansa po ba, meron na po bang gumawa na rin ito at nagtagumpay kaya po naisipan yung isulong yung ganitong klaseng?
Yes. Ang 2+1 na curriculum is nothing new. Meron tayong sa aming pag-aaral, sa aming pag-research, ang mga bansa tulad ng United Kingdom at saka India, they have adopted 2+1. So 2 years classroom and then 1 year OJT as a requirement for their completion of the course. Thank you.
Meron po pong tanong. Wala na po.
Maraming salamat
Okay.
po. Good afternoon.
Salamat po. Okay, maraming salamat po.